Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
EA Sports welcomes you back, along with Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski, set to bring you all the play-by-play. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Moved into the middle. Switzerland's got the puck in their own end. Niederreiter's got the puck. Quick feed to Hischer. And it comes up with the save. Whistle blown as the puck is directed out into the crowd, and a souvenir for some lucky fan tonight. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Oh, smart heads up Reed. It's a 2-on-1. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
And there's the save. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Jostled off the puck. Quick pass across to Weber. Sends a pass over. Moves the puck along the half wall. And he comes up with it. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Kukin. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Sends the pass down low. Centered out in front. Stones him in front.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Wrists one. Denies him in front. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Centering pass. Chance in front. Blocker save, and he's showing up big time tonight.
But he came
one-on-one with the goaltender. Big time stop.
nose to nose. The goalie comes out better on this chance.
Shoots it, gobbles that puck up with his chest. And there's the whistle stopping the play. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. And sends it just out of reach. Team Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. Handles the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Right up front. In close. Stopped by the goaltender.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Moves it around along the half wall. Here's a short pass to Spiza. Takes the pass. And now he moves it to Suter. Team Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Switzerland's got the puck along the wall. Now he takes it over the line. Pass back to the point. Quick pass to Spiza. Centering pass. Big save.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
With the blast. Brilliant save. Read it perfectly. They fight for it along the boards. Oh, smart heads up play to poke that one away. Norway's got a hold of the puck. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Takes the feed. Over the line they come. On the attack along the boards. Unloads it. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and buries it.
Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there and he puts it away.
Team Norway's got the game's first goal. How much of a difference does that make?
Completely change your mindset, even with lots of time left. You can be more aggressive with the comfort that you have a 1-0 lead.
Mulligan's won it. Angles it over to Weber. Weber's got it against the boards. And now it's over to Fiala.
6 minutes, 58 seconds.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Norway's got the puck inside the defensive zone. With possession along the wall. Looks to set up at the point now. Makes the save on the slapper. Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Makes the save. Moves it to Berchi. And now he tries to get it across to Fiala. Unable to reach that one. Team Norway's gained possession along the boards. Norway's looking to break out. Here they come on the attack. Takes the pass to the offensive zone. Knocked away. Team Switzerland's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves it quickly over to Fiala. Fiala's got it in the offensive zone. Puck lands right back onto the blade. Gets a hold of the puck here at his own end. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Takes a shot, and that one's turned away. Moves the puck along the half wall. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Move to the middle. Here's a chance. He scores! On the rebound, lights the lamp for the goal.
Goalie burps up this rebound here. It comes right back into the shooting area, and the rebound is put away.
And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Moves it around along the half wall. Moves the puck. That's blocked. Directed over to Meyer. Carries it in. Puts it on net and makes the save. Past the halfway mark of this period, we are all tied up in this one. Heischer's won the draw. Puck grab by Mueller. Quick feed to Meyer. That one's off the blocker. Team Norway's grabbed a hold of the puck. Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. Through center along the wing. Coughs up possession of the puck. Norway's got possession at center. Carries it across the line. Into the corner of the attacking area. And it's a quick pass to Zuccarello. That goes wide. Feeds the puck to Meyer. From the wing, it's moved to center. Team Switzerland's ready to go on the attack. Nice pass. Glides along the blue line. And he slides it quickly to Hischier. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Weber. Tees it up from the back end. Team Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And a poke check knocks the puck away. At center ice now. He grabs the puck. And takes a tour out of the offensive end to find some space at center. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Hischier. Huge steal in his own end. Takes the feed. They've got the defense outnumbered. Oh, how you doing, the double G. The great glove save. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Takes it across the blue line. Here's a chance. Sends it across. And that's blocked. Norway's got the puck along the wall. Works it across to Yossi. Slides the puck near the front of the net. He scores!
Well, they break the tie here, James. This game had been hotly contested since it's been level. They now have found a way to jump into the lead. Once this puck bounces off the goaltender the first time, the shooter's the next guy in position. The D can't turn quick enough, and he puts it away into the net.
Switzerland's had all sorts of opportunities here in this first period. They finally lead.
But I've liked the way that they've done this, James, because they haven't started to press. They've just continued to be aggressive, to work the forecheck, and they're finally rewarded.
Takes a hit, he goes down to the ice, and coughs up the puck. Beardshe's going to play it against the half wall. Grabs the puck. Up along the wing. They've got numbers. Receives the pass. Centering pass. Makes his presence known on the ice. Rips it on net. Makes the save with the glove.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up. Timed it perfectly.
Team Switzerland's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Beardshe's got it into offensive territory. Slides it across. Excellent stick work on the play. Into the corner. Right up front. Stopped by the goaltender. Icing is called, stopping the play dead. In the final moments of this period, it's 2-1. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. With the blast! And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Kukin's gaining momentum. On the attack along the boards. Takes control of the puck. Into the offensive zone. Sends the pass over. Gives them nothing in front. Up the neutral zone now. Circles back to center ice. Taken along the wall by Suter. Quick pass to Kukin. Shot, and that goes off a player. Over the line they come. Back to the point it goes. And he whiffs on it. Here's an offensive chance. Puck scooped up by Kukin. Here's an odd man rush. On the one-timer. That goes off a twig. Team Norway's got the puck in the defensive end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Move to the middle. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. And he gains the zone here. With possession along the wall. From point blank. Comes up with the stick save.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close. He takes away any room.
Cuts it to the front of the net. Nearing the final 60 seconds here of this first period.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
38 seconds to go. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And forces a huge turnover here with the steal. With the stop. Myers got the puck along the wing. Slides the puck over to Haas. And that'll do it for the first frame in this one. Well, if the first 20 minutes was any indication, you got to buckle up for these next two. That was a fun one. We got a 2-1 game after the first 20.
Present your ticket stub from tonight's game and receive up to 10% off of your meal at Buntsville Burgers Family Restaurant.
And while both teams get a refresher, we'll take one ourselves heading into the second period. Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Well, we've got over 20 minutes played thus far. Ray, how have you seen things?
Team Norway's problem.
He scores! Jumps on the rebound and makes it count.
You want money, you go to the bank. You want bread, you go to the store. You want goals, you get into the net. The rebound's there, he puts it away.
Norway's counter-punch pays off. They've evened things up here in the second.
They've had really good legs since the start of this period, and it seemed like a matter of time before they'd punch through.
Scored by number 36, Matt.
Along the half wall with the puck.
By number 46, Matt.
Battling for the puck, but still hangs on.
Time of the goal.
Here they come on the attack. Lets one go. Denied by the goaltender. Zuccarello's got it along the wing. Slides the puck over. Quick feed down low. And he makes the save. Handles it along the blue line. Great reflexes, another save.
Really good stop. After he made the first one, he's got to find the puck, and he's in position again. He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Ref's arm goes up in the air. Looks like we got a hooking call coming up. Let's get the call here. Fialo's going off to the box for 2 minutes.
You get caught when you don't move your feet. Now you've got to reach out to slow the player down. He's in the box.
Rightly so. Team Norway's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Key for any team on the power play is to get control of the puck first. So we'll look at the face-off, and this power play at the very least has to generate a little momentum. It's their first crack at it tonight.
Norway's gained possession along the boards. From the point, deflected in front, comes up with the stop. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. There's another stop.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Big-time defensive play. Haas will play it to the corner. Lets it fly. Misses the net.
Not going to be happy with this. He's got the opportunity to score. Doesn't register a shot on goal.
Moves it to Haas with the stop.
Dead center. Excellent save.
To his teammate. Passes right to the front. Turns it away.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
Gets it out of his own end. Team Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Carries it in, and he jumps out of the sin bin. We are back to even strength. Solid effort by the penalty-killing unit here.
Oh, I really like the penalty kill there. They were on the same page almost all over the ice that entire power play. The game stays tied because of their fine work.
Breakaway, and that's broken up.
The defender got beat once and then saved himself and his partner later on with a good play.
Mulligan's got the puck. Slides it back to the blue line. Wrist shot from the slot. Blocker save.
Really good puck control by the goalie as he gets it out of danger.
He grabs the puck here at the point. What a stop!
They're working really hard these days to make sure when they stop the puck, it doesn't stay in front of them. If they can't stop it and catch it, they want that puck in the corner.
Moves it around along the half wall. Sends a pass over. Oh, bold move by the goaltender as he pokes it away. Switzerland's got the puck in their own end. Oh, the poke check. What a read by the goaltender. Good hit. Denies him again. Norway's got the puck along the boards. Can't get a hold of that pass. Right to the middle. Moves it quickly over to Hischer. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Shot comes up with the stop. We got a penalty coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. He's going off for tripping, Ray.
Reaching in for the puck, and he gets his stick caught in their feet.
Team Switzerland sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Their first power play of the night. They've worked on it, and it starts with the face-off. Win the draw, start moving the puck quickly before you shoot it.
Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Right in front. Here's a shot. Puts it off the post. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And manages to clear the zone. Looking to break out here on the power play. Moves the puck across to Niederreiter. Carries it across the line. Quick feed to Hischer. On the one-timer. Stops him cold. Whistle blown as that's redirected into the crowd. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. We got a tie game. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. And he slides it quickly to Weber. One-time blast, blocked in front. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Gets in front of it. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Dialed in on that stop. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Denied by the goaltender. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Time to execute here on this power play. Both sides back to even strength. A great effort by the penalty killers there. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. He's got a step.
Immediately, this becomes...
Stays with it to make the save.
Really good patience as he doesn't overreact, but that's a good deke. Guy just doesn't finish it off.
Here's a short pass to Meyer. Knocked away. Team Norway's got the puck. Now a quick pass to Zuccarello. Handles the puck at the point. Handles the puck. Here's a blast. Big-time save on a big-time shot. Slides the puck to Spiza. Spiza's got it in the offensive end. Moves the puck behind the net. Cannon of a shot, and that's broken out. Takes the feed at the back end. And now he moves it quickly to Kukin. Here's a shot. Big-time stop there.
He was telling me this morning he worked on this in practice this week, making sure the puck goes to the corner and doesn't stay in the net.
Lets it go. Glove save, and an easy one at that.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through him.
Past the midway mark of the frame, you can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Shot on net, and the traffic neutralizes that threat. And some good footwork to kick it away. Along the wing up the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Great hit on the play. Takes the feed at the point. Lays the body. Takes a shot and scores! And the deadlock is broken.
Well, what a crushing goal to give up. But the other guys worked hard for it. They pressed the play, and now they've got the lead. Followed through to the net. He picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Norway's gone up by 1 here in this second period.
Pretty important goal to get to break the tie here as you get into the middle frame, and now you have a chance to control maybe the way the game's played.
Quick pass to Fiala.
Assisted by number 12, Michael Haga.
Takes that pass back at the point. Takes the pass. And it's a quick pass to Weber. Beardsley's got it against the boards. Team Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes the return feed. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. With possession along the wall. Lets it go. Just wide. Norway's got the puck along the wall. Takes the feed. And that's picked off. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Ahead of steam now towards the front. And that one's stopped.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
Here's a backhand. Stopped by the goaltender.
Sharp reaction save.
From the right side, he goes to the middle of the neutral zone. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. Takes the return feed. Here they are on the attack. Along the half wall with the puck. Stopped by the goaltender. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him. That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Well past the midway mark of this period, just one goal separating these two teams as we sit with a 3-2 lead. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Over the line they come. Switzerland's got control of the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. And he regains control of the puck. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Switzerland's gained possession along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Zuccarello. Good defensive effort to poke it away. Through center along the wing. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Takes the feed. Across the point. Moves it to Yossi. Lets the wrister fly. Misses wide of the net.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target.
Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Sends it across the ice. Here they come on the attack. On the attack along the boards. Drills them. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Switzerland's got it behind the net. Up along the wing. Scrum along the boards. And it's kicked away. We got a penalty coming up here on the play. Snaps it on net. Just misses. Whistle blows, stopping the play. I saw the hold. Did you?
Yeah, so did 18,000 other people, so it's no surprise the ref got it as well.
Another power play opportunity coming up here as they set up at the faceoff.
Well, you're always looking for scoring chances. You're not going to get anything better than this. A power play trailing by one. Chance to even the score up here on the power play.
And manages to clear the zone. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Niederreiter's got it in the offensive zone. Takes the feed. And there's the save. Niederreiter's caught with the stick, and the officials are signaling for a hooking penalty. Scores! Putting the power in power play.
Did just about everything right on that man advantage. They capitalized. The penalty killers just ran out of gas here. They're under incredible pressure from the power play. Eventually, it's a power play goal as they capitalize on the extra man.
Team Switzerland's equalizer comes at a critical time of the game, late in the period, isn't it, Ray?
Anytime you give up a goal late in the period, you feel like you've given up more than that. So this is a critical goal.
And he loses both the puck and his balance after that hit. And he slides it quickly to Fiala. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And now he angles it across to Weber. Forces the turnover. Approaching the final 60 seconds here in the second. Gets it out of his own end.
In the second period.
Switzerland's got a hold of it along the wall. And now he passes up to Niederreiter. Receives the pass. Doesn't go. Passes over to Zuccarello. Deep inside the defensive end, still trying to clear. Team Switzerland's got the puck along the boards. Hiescher's got it across the line. Sends it over. Quick shot. Stopped by the goaltender. There's the horn to end the period. This one living up to the hype so far through 40 minutes, tied at 3.
Don't forget to check out tonight's game highlights, post-game analysis, player interviews, and vlogs on our team website. New content is added daily.
Third period just around the corner. Ray and I will be ready to bring all the action in moments. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Third period action ready to go. Team Norway's penalty killers welcome that intermission, and they get things going on the right note, winning the draw. Moves it quickly over to Hiescher. Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes the feed at center and moves up ahead. Sends the pass over. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Pass right on the doorstep. Puts it on net from the point. Too high.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
Backhander in front. Stones him in front.
Dangerous spot in the slot, and the goalie comes up big with the glove stop. Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Lots of time left in this period. It's all tied up. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Zuccarello's carrying it ahead. Good heads-up play in the defensive zone. There's the whistle. Offside is the call.
And I can feel the boards vibrate with that hit. He slammed them into the wall.
Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. With possession along the wall. Takes a shot, and he comes up with it. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Oh, great read! Scores! And he puts his team in front.
James, this game looked really comfortable as a tie game. Now they're ahead. They've got to continue to push. He's not going to feel very good about that one when he goes and sits down at the bench. He was totally out of position. That led to the goal.
Switzerland's gone ahead here by 1 in the third. What's the message now for the stretch run, Ray?
To be aggressive. Too often teams sit back on their heels. They give up a chance. They give up a power play. Pretty soon it's an all-out scramble.
A chance on goal. Glove save, and he handles it with ease. Team Switzerland's turned good defense into good offense as they lead it early in this third period. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Fialo's going to play it against the half wall. Completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net.
Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves the puck along the half wall. Slides the puck over. Switzerland's gained possession. Carries it in. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's the pass. Centering pass. Wrist shot from the slot. Comes up with a blocker save.
Really smooth stop here as he deflects this puck into the corner out of danger.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. Team Switzerland's got a 1-goal lead. Haas has won the faceoff. Fires the one-timer. Turns it aside with the save. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Solid hit on that play. Along the half wall with the puck. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Switzerland's got possession here in the offensive zone. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Sends a pass over. Shot makes the save. Can't keep a hold of it. Trying to get the puck out of harm's way. And the linesman calls icing on the play.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Team Switzerland's done a wonderful job putting a lot of pucks on net, and they lead it early in this third period. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Makes the save. Switzerland's outplayed the opposition tonight, particularly offensively, as they lead it early in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Great reactionary save on that chance. Into the offensive end now. What a great read breaking up the pass. Carries it across the line. Sends it across. Team Switzerland's got control of it now from their own end. Moves it around along the half wall. Quick feed to Yossi. Snaps one here in the slot. Denies him in front. Grabs the puck in the corner. And now he moves it to Suter. Takes it across the blue line. Couldn't catch up to that pass. Crunches him into the boards.
He used the boards as an anchor. There's nowhere to go, and he delivered that hit crisply.
Grabs the puck here in the neutral zone. And now it's over to Yossi. Smart read by the defender to come up with it. On the attack along the boards. Takes a shot, and that one's turned away. Puck picked up by Spiza. Myers got it along the boards. Move to the middle. Wrist one in front. Gets a glove on it to make the stop.
Flashes the leather right in the slot on a difficult chance. Thanks to the guys in the truck, we get a great look at that hit again. He slammed him into the wall. That one hurt.
Still lots of time left here in this frame. It's a one-goal game at this point. 4-3 is the score. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Handles the puck. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Here's a short pass to Hischier. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And the puck escapes the zone, and they'll be forced to tag up. And the goalie comes out to play the puck. Icing is the call here, and those winded bodies are going to be out there for an expended period here now.
Yeah, they can't get a change in, and so you go back, you kind of meander your way back as long as you can to kill time and get a little breath.
Switzerland's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Slides the puck down low. Moves right to the middle, and that one's broken up. Takes it across the blue line. Throws it on goal, and makes the save. Team Switzerland's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Takes the pass. A chance right in front. Stones him with the blocker.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Scrum along the boards as they battle for the puck. Team Norway's got the puck along the wall. Over the line they come. Switzerland's got it from behind the net. Team Switzerland's got a hold of the puck. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass.
I don't want to be too cautious, but when you have the lead, you better be sure about moving the puck.
Takes the feed. Moves the puck. Shuts him down. Jostles for the puck, but still hangs on. Knocked away. Switzerland's grabbed a hold of the puck. Quick pass to Kukin. Nice pass. With possession along the wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Here they come on the attack. Can't keep a hold of it after that hit. Team Switzerland's gained possession along the boards. Slides it across, and the stick gets a piece of it. Moves the puck along the half wall. Moves it to Yossi. Here's a chance on the doorstep, and that's broken up with a stick in front. Takes the feed. Back at the point, they set it up. Puck set across the blue line. Receives the pass. Right in the slot. Hammers it. Fantastic save. Another stop. Stopped by the goaltender.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Blast from the blue line. Blocked in traffic. Back to the blue line. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Carries it in. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. Great read to break up the play. Now he takes it over the line. Puts the puck on net. Trapper save.
We're going to back this up again and get another look at this stop the goalie makes. He makes a solid save on a really dangerous chance.
Switzerland's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Now a quick pass to Weber. And now he moves it quickly to Mueller. Jabs the puck away. Trying to shake the defender. He's clear. And he's peeling off to regroup. He says, let's get physical on that play. Weber's swooping in on the attack. And now he tries to get it across to Suter. Blocked in traffic. Takes the puck at the point. And the goalie somehow gets a piece of that one. And there's a whistle on the play here, stopping it. Trying to figure out where the puck is.
He's lost sight of the puck here, James. You can see him working for position. Eventually, he doesn't have it, so he blows it dead. Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Team Switzerland's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Pass back to the point. No room for that one to get through. With the stop. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a chance right in the slot. Looks to set up at the point now. Centering pass. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Denied by the goaltender. Switzerland's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. And it's a quick pass to Meyer. Whoa. He scores! Well, when it rains, it pours.
Man, they are just coming out in buckets right now as they get 3 straight. Really a dominating performance. That's a scorer's goal right there. That puck is on and off his stick in a hurry. He's so tight to the net, he has to get rid of it before the goalie can readjust.
Team Switzerland's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. Moves around along the half wall. Out front, stopped by the goaltender. Unloads from the blue line, wide of the net.
I like the shot. He didn't miss it by much, though.
Sends the pass over. Comes up with the stop. Puck grabbed by Niederreiter. Hangs onto the puck. Slides the puck over. Picks off the feed.
Coaches always say, James, don't try to make something out of nothing. In the lead, you've got to make the safe play.
Oh, smart heads-up read. Here's a chance. Lets it go. Comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. He got all of that one. Sends a pass over, and he makes the save. Switzerland's regained possession of the puck.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Team Switzerland's offense, the story tonight as they lead it here in this third period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Knocked away. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Back to the point it goes. Trying to get back on the attack now. There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. And he's off to the box for 2 for tripping.
Not much of an argument there. A stick between the player's feet.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
The best power plays are the ones that are successful after they've failed. They haven't been very good tonight, but you have to wash that away, not let it affect the current power play.
Norway's got the puck along the boards. Takes it across the blue line. Approaching the final minute of regulation. Switzerland's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. That's not going to fool them. And manages to clear the zone. Team Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Long pass up ahead to center. From the slot, gobbles the puck up there with the chest. And we're going to get a whistle here. Team Switzerland's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Gets it out of his own end. Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Through center along the wing. Here's a shot off target. Grabbed along the boards by Zuccarello. Here's a chance out front. Big save.
Oh, you're not going to get a better chance than that, but the goalkeeper does a great job.
And manages to clear the zone. Team Norway's got the puck along the wall. Zuccarello's got it along the wing. Handles the puck. He scores!
Now the power play comes through. They move the puck nicely, and they're able to capitalize on the extra man. It always seems like such a long shot. You pull the goaltender, but this time it pays off. A little bit of reward for the risk that they took.
Switzerland's offense, the story tonight as they lead it here in this third period. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Big save, and this one's in the books. And we are all over with this one.
Pretty good hockey game, and I guess they can say they did some good things, like they had a better face-off percentage, but not enough, James.
Is this sometimes the case, though, the numbers lie?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, great, you won the face-off, you didn't score enough.
On behalf of Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Thanks for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.